Best PC Cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at 5 of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Fractal Design North XL. The Fractal Design North XL Charcoal Black TG Dark is a premium full-tower PC case designed for high-end builds with a focus on airflow, aesthetics, and versatility. It features a large and spacious interior capable of housing ATX, ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards, alongside support for extensive cooling options, including multiple radiators and fans. The case is tailored for enthusiasts who want maximum cooling potential, offering support for up to 9 120mm or 140mm fans, and radiators up to 480mm in size. Its standout feature is the unique charcoal black textured front panel, which combines a bold, modern design with high airflow efficiency. The case's front and top panels are made from mesh to optimize ventilation, while still maintaining a sleek and stylish look. The tempered glass side panel with dark tint adds a premium touch, allowing users to showcase their internal components while reducing glare. Inside, the North XL offers excellent cable management features and modular drive trays that can be configured for different storage setups. It supports multiple large GPUs and offers plenty of clearance for tall CPU coolers and extensive water cooling loops, making it a versatile choice for custom builds. The interior layout also focuses on ease of installation and maintenance, with tool-less design elements. Overall, the Fractal Design North XL Charcoal Black TG Dark is ideal for PC builders seeking a combination of modern aesthetics, robust airflow, and expansive internal space to build powerful, cooled systems. It balances style and functionality for demanding users and enthusiasts. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. The Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is a versatile mid-tower ATX PC case designed for enthusiasts who value modularity, cooling flexibility, and sleek aesthetics. Its standout feature is the fully modular design, allowing users to customize and rearrange internal components for optimized airflow and easy installation. The case comes pre-equipped with a 120mm SF black rear fan to ensure efficient exhaust and maintain system temperatures. Built to support a wide range of hardware, the Qube 500 Flatpack accommodates motherboards up to eATX size, making it suitable for high-end builds and workstation setups. It also offers support for dual 280mm radiators, providing extensive options for liquid cooling solutions to maximize thermal performance. One unique aspect of this case is its vertical GPU mount capability, which not only enhances the visual presentation of powerful graphics cards but also contributes to better airflow and cooling. The layout encourages clean cable management and unobstructed airflow channels, helping to keep components cool during intense workloads or gaming sessions. The black finish adds a professional and understated look, fitting well in various environments from gaming setups to professional studios. Its mid-tower form factor balances spaciousness with compactness, fitting comfortably on or under desks. Overall, the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is a well-rounded PC case that combines flexible modularity, robust cooling support, and stylish design, making it an excellent choice for builders who want performance and customization without sacrificing aesthetics. Number 3. InWin A3. The InWin A3 Micro ATX gaming chassis is a compact, stylish case designed for gamers and PC builders seeking a balance of aesthetics, functionality, and cooling performance in a small form factor. This chassis supports Micro ATX motherboards, making it ideal for users who want a powerful yet space-saving gaming rig. Constructed with a sleek black finish, the A3 features a modern design with tempered glass side panels that showcase internal components and RGB lighting effects. One of its standout features is the built-in ARGB fan, which adds vibrant customizable lighting to the system, enhancing the gaming setup's visual appeal without needing extra accessories. Despite its compact size, the chassis allows efficient airflow and cooling, ensuring your components stay cool during intense gaming or heavy workloads. It offers ample space for essential components such as multiple storage drives, standard-sized graphics cards, and CPU coolers compatible with micro-ATX form factors. The case provides easy cable management options to keep the build clean and tidy, improving airflow and aesthetics. Front I/O ports include USB and audio connectors, giving quick access for peripherals and headsets. Overall, the Inwin A3 Micro ATX gaming chassis is a premium choice for gamers who want a compact, visually striking case with solid cooling performance and ARGB lighting built in. Its combination of style, build quality, and functionality make it suitable for both beginner and experienced PC builders aiming for a compact gaming setup. Number 4. NZXT H7 Flow. The NZXT H7 Flow 2024 is a mid-tower ATX PC case designed with an emphasis on airflow and efficient cooling. It comes in a clean white finish that complements modern builds, focusing on both performance and aesthetics. This case includes 3 pre-installed 120mm fans at the front, ensuring excellent intake airflow right out of the box to keep your components cool. One of the standout features of the H7 Flow 2024 is its support for bottom-mounted fans dedicated specifically to GPU cooling. This innovative design allows additional airflow directly beneath the graphics card, helping to reduce its temperature for better stability and performance during intensive gaming or rendering sessions. The case offers ample space for cable management, allowing builders to route and hide cables cleanly, improving both airflow and overall build tidiness. This makes the assembly process more straightforward and results in a professional-looking setup. Compatibility is broad with support for ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, along with multiple storage options, including SSDs and HDDs. The H7 Flow 2024 also supports larger GPUs and multiple cooling configurations, including air and liquid cooling solutions. Overall, the NZXT H7 Flow 2024 is a versatile, airflow-optimized mid-tower case suitable for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want efficient cooling, sleek design, and easy cable management in a quality white chassis. Its pre-installed fans and dedicated GPU cooling support make it an excellent choice for building a powerful and well-cooled system. Number 5. Thermaltake View 270 TG ARGB Matcha Green. The Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow is a mid-tower ATX PC case designed for users who want a balance of aesthetics, cooling, and functionality. This case features a striking snow-white color scheme combined with dual-tempered glass panels on both the front and the side, allowing you to showcase your build with clarity and style. Included with the case are 3 120mm ARGB fans pre-installed, providing vibrant customizable lighting effects and solid airflow out of the box. The ARGB lighting can be synchronized with compatible motherboards or controlled via Thermaltake software, enhancing your system's visual appeal. Cooling support is robust, with room for radiators up to 360mm in size, making it an excellent choice for water cooling enthusiasts looking to build an efficient and visually impressive system. The case supports large motherboards up to eATX form factor, offering plenty of room for high-end components and expansions. Cable management is thoughtfully designed, enabling clean and organized builds, while the tempered glass panels provide both durability and premium aesthetics. The case also comes with a 3-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind for your investment. Overall, the Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow Mid-Tower case delivers a blend of style, excellent cooling potential, and flexibility for advanced PC builds, making it a solid choice for gamers, enthusiasts, and custom builders who want a visually stunning and high-performance chassis.